Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Hidayatullatifah, number 44014222026 from class Biology Education B, Semarang State University. In this video, I will explain one of the topics in my laboratory work report. The topic that I will explain is about bile pigments. Do you know why our urine is golden yellow? It is due to the presence of bile pigments. These pigments will be the topic of our discussion today. Thus, the aim of our discussion today is to demonstrate the presence of bile pigments. Before that, do you know what bile is? Bile is a mixture of secretions and excretion produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, which is then channeled to the duodenum. The excrete material is in the form of bile salts, and the excrete material is in the form of bile pigments and cholesterol. Then, what is bile pigment? Bile pigment is the result of hemoglobin catabolism by the endothelial system of the liver, spleen, and bone marrow. One of the main pigments of bile is bilirubin, which is golden yellow or brown in color. Oxidation of bile pigments will produce colored derivatives. For example, mesobiliverdin, which is bluish-green. This oxidation reaction will later be used to show the presence of bile pigments. Okay, now we continue to discuss about how the practicum procedure will be carried out. First of all, we need to prepare a clean and dry 25 milliliter beaker glass. Then add 15 milliliter of bile solutions, 2 drops of saturated mercury oxonium sulfate, and 5 ml of 10% barium chloride. After that, wait for a precipitate to form. After a green precipitate forms, pour out the liquid and pour the precipitate onto filter paper. After that, drop the filter paper with 1 or 2 drops of Fosse's reagent. Then observe the color that is formed. Yeah, okay, this is the result. Okay, now look at the result. A bluish green color formed on the filter paper. This color is the mesobiliverdin pigment. Okay, next slide. Okay, now we get into the discussion. Bile bilirubin pigment, which was originally golden yellow when in the body, is oxidized to a green color or what is commonly called biliverdin. This oxidation is caused by bile being left in the open air and the addition of various chemicals. So here is the reaction. Bile solution plus mercury oxonium sulfate plus barium chloride becomes mercury chloride plus barium sulfate. Mercury chloride is a liquid or filtrate that we throw away. Meanwhile, barium sulfate is the precipitate that we pour on filter paper. Then the addition of Fosse's reagent oxidizes the biliverdin pigment, which is absorbed by the precipitate. The content of iron chloride in Fosse's reagent oxidizes the pigment to form a bluish-green derivative called mesobiliverdin on filter paper. So, the conclusion we can draw is the bile contains a pigment called bilirubin. This is indicated by the formation of a color as a result of oxidation. So, now you know why our urine is golden yellow, right? Yep, it's because of the pigment bilirubin contained in the bile. Yep, now we have reached the end of the video. I hope this video can add useful insights and foster curiosity within yourself. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments column. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!